Morning, children. This is Shashi here. So, once again, I am going to teach you maths, chapter 2. Okay. So, yesterday we discussed about two formula, that is profit is equal to SP minus CP. What was your SP? Selling price. What was your CP? Cost price. Then another formula, loss is equal to CP minus SP. What is your CP? Cost price. SP, selling price. Cost price means what? If you are buying anything, or if you are purchasing anything, then that is your cost price. Okay, suppose you are buying a pen for 10 rupees, then 10 rupees is your CP. Okay, and if you are selling that pen for 15 rupees, then 15 rupees is your SP. Okay, selling price. Up to here, yesterday only we had discussed. So one thing always you have to remember, that whenever you are selling in more price, when SP is greater than CP, when you are selling in more price than buying, then always there will be what? There will be profit. When you are selling in more money, that means what? You are getting more money. You are selling in more money, that means in return you are getting more money. So there will be profit. Okay, there will be profit. When CP, you have to remember this one, when CP is greater than, SP, means you are buying in more money and selling in less money. Okay, buying in more money. Suppose you are buying in 20 rupees and you are selling in 15 rupees. Then when you are selling in 15 rupees, that means you are getting less money. And when you are buying for 20 rupees, that means you have to spend more money. So you are in that case you are in loss. So just remember this part. Whenever CP is greater than SP, then there will be loss. There will be loss. Always remember this. And when SP will be greater than CP, means you are selling in more money, then always you will be in profit. Okay, this 2 point always you have to remember. Okay, so yesterday we have seen this question number 1a already we have done. Now B you'll solve on your own, and C I am going to tell you. Okay, what is the question? CP is 445 rupees. CP means you are buying in 445 rupees. Then SP means selling price. Selling price means you are selling in 395. You are buying in more money and selling in less money. For buying you are spending more money, and when you are selling, then in return you are getting less money, 395 only. That means what? You are getting back less money, so it is loss or not. Here CP is greater than SP or not. Look at here, CP is 405, SP is 395. So CP is greater than SP, so there is a loss. Okay, so we'll solve this question. So question number 1C, what is given here? It is given CP is given how much? Rupees 445 rupees. And SP means what? Your selling price. Selling price means you are selling in how much? 395 rupees. Now can you see? CP is greater than SP, so we'll write CP is greater than SP, so there is a loss. I have explained you this part. So there is a loss, but how much loss? So we have to find how much loss. So loss is equal to what? CP minus SP. Okay, so simply whenever there will be loss or profit, always whichever is greater, CP is greater, so CP minus SP. If SP will be greater, then SP minus CP. Okay, so CP is greater, so CP minus SP. CP is given how much? CP is given 445. Okay, minus SP. SP is given how much? SP is given 395. So we'll write here 395. Now you can subtract this part. After subtracting, how much you will get? This 5 minus 5 you will get 0, and 14 minus 9 you will get 5. Okay, so loss is how much? 50 rupees. Wait. Okay, so your loss is 50 rupees. When you will subtract CP minus SP, you will get 50 rupees loss. Okay, whenever CP is greater than SP, then there will be loss. How will find loss? Greater is CP and smaller is SP. So greater minus smaller. So CP minus SP. Okay. Now before coming to another question, let me discuss one concept. Suppose you are buying one chair. One chair you are buying for 500 rupees. Okay, it was an old chair. Okay, so for you were buying for 500 rupees. Cost price means buying, and you have given 100 rupees for repairing. How much? For repairing you are giving 100 rupees extra. Okay, so total overall, what is your cost? Overall your cost is 500 plus 100, that is your, so total cost including buying and repairing, total how much is the cost? Total cost is 500 and plus 100. So total cost how much we are getting? 600, isn't it? So total cost we are getting 600. So we'll write total cost price. In shortcut, T for total, C for cost, P for price. So total cost price is 600 rupees. Okay. So whenever after buying you are buying for 500, and after buying any extra money if you are spending in repairing or in painting or in transportation to bring something from one place to another. Suppose you have bought this chair for 500 rupees and you brought this on an auto, so this is your transportation cost. Okay, transportation cost, the auto wala has charged you 100 rupees. Okay, so now in buying 500 rupees you have spent and 100 rupees in transport cost. So total how much is your cost? 600 is your cost. Okay, so this is called as total cost price. And this extra money, whatever extra money you will spend, okay, that extra money will be called as what? That will be called as overhead. Whatever extra money. So in extra money, what can be there in extra money? Like painting, if you have bought something and you have given for painting, or repairing, okay, you have given for repairing, or transport, to bring something from one place to another. After buying, you are giving the auto wala or rickshaw wala or the motor vehicle any amount of money. So all this will come under what? All this will come under your overhead. Whatever extra money, that will be called as your overhead. Okay, so that will be come under your overhead. So total cost price, always total cost price will be what? Cost price, whatever you are buying, and plus overhead. Okay, always it will be, total cost price will be equal to what? Cost price plus overhead. Okay. Now another example I am giving. Suppose you have bought a TV for 10,000 rupees. How much? 10,000. And from where you have bought? From Ranchi you have bought. Okay. Now from Ranchi to Khalari you have to bring. So transportation charge. They are taking, the vehicle owner is taking you 1000 rupees. So this is the extra money of you have bought for 10,000, and this is your extra money 1000 the vehicle person is taking. So this extra money is called as what? Overhead. So now what is your total cost price? Total cost price will be CP plus overhead. Okay, so what will be your total cost price? CP is how much? 10,000, and plus overhead extra money is your 1000. So 10,000 plus 1000, total cost price is how much? 11,000. Okay, 11,000. So total cost price is 11,000. Now if you'll sell this selling price, this TV, now if you are selling for 12,000, you are selling for how much? 12,000. Now what was your total cost price? Total cost price was 11,000, and you are selling in 12,000. You bought for 11,000 and now you are selling in 12,000. So you are getting, after selling you are getting extra money or not? So here selling price is greater than total cost price. Okay, selling price is greater. So selling price is greater than total cost price. You are getting more money after selling. So there will be what? There will be profit. If you will get less money, then there will be loss. But you are getting more money. Okay, so there is a profit. But how much profit? How we find profit? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Which one is greater here? SP is greater. Can you see or not? SP is greater than total CP, total cost price. So SP minus CP. Okay, so SP is 12,000 and minus total cost price is how much? 11,000. 11,000. So how much profit we have got? 12,000 minus 11,000 will get 1,000. Okay, so this is your profit. Okay, so this way we have to find. Always extra money you will add, and that will become your total cost price. Okay, so let's see the question from your exercise. Now have a look. Question number 1D. What is given? Cost price is given 150 rupees. This much CP is 150, means for 150 you are buying something. Okay, then cost of repair, after buying you are repairing. So this is your extra money. That means this is your 45 rupees is your overhead. Okay, and after repairing you are selling in 245 rupees. So are you in profit or are you in loss? We have to see this one. Okay, so question number D. What is given? CP is equal to 450 rupees. 450 rupees. Okay, then cost of repair, that means extra money. Extra money is called as what? Overhead. Always you will called extra money as overhead. Overhead is given how much? 45 rupees. Okay, so this is your extra money and this is your cost for buying 450. So total cost price, TCP, total cost price is what? CP means in how much you are buying plus overhead means extra money how much you are spending. So CP plus overhead. Okay, CP plus overhead. So total cost price, CP is given how much? 450 rupees. So we'll write here 450 plus overhead, extra money how much we have spent? 45. So we'll write 45. Now total cost price how much we are getting? Total cost price 450 plus 45. After adding you'll get 495 rupees. So this is your total cost price. Total cost price we have got how much? Total cost price we have got 495 rupees. Okay, So total cost price, how much we have got? Total cost price we have got 495 rupees. Okay, this is your rupees. And selling price is given how much? Selling price is given 200 rupees, 245 rupees. Okay, now which one is greater here? Tell me. Total cost price. Sorry. Okay, so once again I am repeating this one for you. CP is given how much? 150 rupees. Then overhead is given how much? Overhead is given 45 rupees. Extra money 45 rupees. So total cost price CP plus overhead. Okay, CP plus overhead. Always you will add CP and overhead. So CP cost price is given how much? 150 rupees. 150 plus overhead is given how much? 45 rupees. So you will add 45. So 150 plus 45. If you will add it, how much you will get? 195. So this is your total cost price. This is your total cost price is how much? 195. Okay. So total cost price is how much? 195 rupees. And selling price, in how much you are selling? It is given 245 rupees. Now look at here, which one is greater here? 195 is greater or 245 is greater? 245 is greater, that means SP is greater than CP. SP is greater than total cost price. Okay, we are selling in more money, so there will be what? Profit. Okay, so there will be profit. So how much profit? How do we find profit? Profit is equal to what? Which one is greater here? Selling price. So selling price minus total cost price minus 190. So we'll write selling price minus cost price. Now selling price is given 245 minus cost price is given how much? Total cost price is given how much? 195. Okay, better you write here total cost price. Now in 245 we'll subtract 195, then how much we'll get? 245 minus 195 will get, after subtracting we'll get 50. So 50 rupees is your profit. Okay, so I hope whatever I have discussed today, it is clear to you. Okay, so you'll try to solve this question, this table. Okay, you'll try to solve this table if it is possible for you. Otherwise tomorrow I'll discuss this part, how to solve this part. Okay, so this is your homework. Try to solve this one. If you're not able to do, then tomorrow I'm going to discuss this part. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Thank you.